Hello and welcome to Michelle's videos. So today we're going to look at, excuse me, we're going to look at multiplying and dividing decimals. So if you're unsure about how to do multiplication and division with whole numbers, please look at my previous videos. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to start with multiplying. Oh, sorry. Happy if I had that. Right, multiplying decimals. Okay, so please remember the golden rule. Remember your jumps. And this will become clear as we start. So, for example, if we were going to do 23.9 times by 1.7. Now, this is a little bit too difficult for me. So what I'm going to do is make them whole numbers by jumping that decimal out and jumping that decimal out. So I've had one jump and two jumps. So two jumps that way, okay? Right, now I can get started. This number here has become 239 times by 17, because I've jumped out. 17. Now I'm going to go over this bit here, this division, this multiplication bit. So, you know, in case you're a little bit unsure, hopefully it will give you a reminder. Now, if we remember that these are units, these are tens, and these are hundreds, okay? That's important. And I always put these here if it helps. You know, there's nothing wrong with doing that at all. So let's get started. So we're going to start from the 7. And that is just a 1. So 7 times 9 is 63. So 63. Remember this is your carryover, okay? 7 times 3 is 21. Plus your 6 is 27. Okay? And we've carried the 2 over. And then 7 times 2 is 14. Plus your 2 is 16. So this is now done. That's now done. So we're moving on to the 1. Now with the 1, remember it's not a 1, it's a 10. It's a 10. So we're going to take this 0 here and we're going to put it here. And now we are working with 1. So 1 times 9, yeah, we always start from here. 1 times 9 is 9. Okay? Now if you think about it, this was a 10. So that means that was a 10. 10 times 9 is 90. Yeah? Right, let's carry on. So 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 2 is 2. Luckily, we had no carryovers there. Now we can add them together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus the 1 is 10. Is 10. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus the 1 is 4. So therefore, I've ended up with 4063. Remember your jumps. Okay, we now go in. So how many? 2. So 1, 2. So our answer is therefore 40.63. Okay. Yep. Right. Let's do another one. File new. Okay. Let's do another one. I'll make that a bit bigger. Right. Let's do 17.5 times by, I don't know. Let's go into the 100. Let's go 2.35. Yeah, let's go into the 100 so I can show you a bigger multiplication. Right, so I'm going to move that decimal 1, and I'm going to move this 1, 2. Okay, so altogether I've done 1 jump here and 2 here. 1, 2. Just to remind me, I'm going to put 3 jumps that way. Okay, right, so I've got 175 times by 2, 3, 5. Just going to give myself lots of room here. This is my 1s, these are my 10s, these are my 100s. Okay, right, let's get started. I'm going to start with this 5 here, and I'm going to times it by this one, and this one. Okay, right. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35. 35, don't forget your 2. 37. 37. 5 times 1 is 5 plus my 3, which is 8. Done and dusted. That one is now done. All rightio. Now I'm going to my 3. 3 is a 10, and it's got a 0, so put the 0 here. And then we can start as normal. 3, let me change my colour. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 7 is 21, plus my 1 is 22. 22. 3 times 1 is 3, plus my 2 is 5. Done. Right. Oh, okay, we're doing okay. Just going to change my colour a little bit here. That is now done. And I'm going to this one here. This one is 100. How many zeros have we got? 2. So I'm going to put 2 here. Right, here we go. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14, plus the 1 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1, which is 3. And then I'm going to add them all together. 5 plus 0, 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 and a 0 is 12. Don't forget this to add it on in a minute. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus the 1 is 11. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus the 1 is 11. And 3 plus nothing is 3, plus the 1 is 4. So I've ended up with 4, 1, 1, 2, 5. Wait a minute. 3 jumps. 3 jumps that way. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is therefore 41.125. Okay, so, you know, practice your multiplication. Practice it. Stop using calculators. Have a go at it. Practice it. And your decimals are exactly the same. You've just got to remember this bit. Whatever you do at the beginning, do the opposite at the end. Okay? Right. Division. Oh, no, actually, what I wanted to do was, yeah, let's add new. New. Yeah, I'm going to give you 3 to have a go at. So we've got, let's do number 1. 18.3 times by 1.5. Do not use a calculator. Number 2, 21.4 times by 3.1. That's a nice one. And then number 3, let's do 19.9 times by 3.7. Okay, have a go at them. And the answer will be interactive, so your answer should come up as correct, hopefully. Okay, right, so now let's move on to division. And division is slightly different. It's not too different, but it is slightly. Okay, so dividing decimals. Okay, I think the golden rule with division is that what you do, let's put it here, the outside number must be whole. And again, this will make sense, okay, when we do it. Okay, so let's go for an example. Let's go 26 divided by 2.5. Now we know how to set it out. Oh, too many dots there. The outside number is 2.5 divided by 26. Now, wait there, the golden rule is the outside number must be whole. So I'm going to jump there. What I do here, I do here. Okay? So at the moment, my decimal is here, because that makes 26. So I'm going to jump that, and I'm going to put a 0 there. Okay? So basically what I've done is I've times that by 10, so I've times this by 10. Yeah? Okay. So let me give myself room. Therefore, I've now got 25 divided by 260 decimal. I've just put it on top there. That's where my decimal is now. Remember, I've times by 10, times by 10. Right, okay, now I'll go over this again for those people that are unsure, as I do on most of my videos, especially with division. Right, 25 into 2. No, I cannot fit 25 people on 2 chairs. No way. So where does that 2 go? Excellent, next door. Always in front. Right, 25 into 26 goes once. 25 times 1, that leaves me 1 though. So where's that 1 going to go? Brilliant. Boing. 1. Okay, 25 into 10. No, 25 people will not fit on 10 chairs. So I'm going to give myself another 0 here. Yeah, 25 into 10 goes 0. Let's put that first. Right, so I haven't used any of this now. So where does the whole of the 10 go? Excellent, it goes here, yep. So I've now got 100. So 25 into 100, yep, goes 4. So my answer is therefore 10.4. Okay. So let's do another one. Let's do another one. Oh, let's do, I don't know. Yeah, let's do a harder one. Yeah, let's have a look at 46.169 divided by 0.2. It's not that much harder, to be fair. We've got the 2, so we know we're going to have a nice number, but you know, it's a bigger number. So let's set it out. 0.2 divided by 46.169. Wait a minute, the golden rule is that must be whole. So I'm going to jump or times it by 10, jump 1. So with this decimal, I'm going to times it by 10 as well, or jump 1, okay? So I'm now left with 2 divided by 4, 6, the decimal's here now, so that's 1, my decimal's now here, 6, 9, decimal on top. Let's get going. Right, 2, oh, let's split them up. Right, 2 into 4 goes 2, nothing remaining. 2 into 6 goes 3, nothing remaining. 2 into 1, 2 people cannot fit on 1 chair, so that is 0. So we've got the whole lot left. Where does that 1 go? Where does that 1 go? Wicked. There. 2s into 16 go 8. No remaining. 2 into 9 goes 4, but we have got 1 remaining. So I'm going to put a 0. That's got to rest against something, so I'm just going to put a 0. So that 1 goes there. And then 2 into 10 goes 5. So my answer is therefore 230, 230, 8, 4, 5. Remember with long division, your times table. Now, we are all pretty okay with our 1s, 2s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12s. We're okay with that. And I'm just going to give you a hint of what I do when they get bigger. Don't panic. We can all add up, okay? So let's do 106.361 divided by 0.28. So therefore, I'm going to have 0.28 divided by 106.361. What do I have to do first? Wicked. Yeah, I'm going to jump that out twice or times it by 100 to make, I'm going to do it down here, make 28. So I'm going to jump this one out, 1, 2 as well. So I'm now left with 106.36 decimal 1. Now I might need some more zeros on here. I'm just going to add them. If I need them, I'm going to use them, okay? Now, I've got a problem here. 28. That is a big number. I do not know my 28 times table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding, and I'm going to do them here. 28 plus 28 is 56. Okay, I'm all right at the minute. Right, add another 28. So 20 on to 56 would be 76, plus the 8 would be 84. Right, okay, so I'm going to add another 28. 20 onto 80 is 100. 8 plus 12, 112. Oh, this looks okay. That's going to be another 28, so that's going to be 140. Well, I knew that anyway because I'm halfway. 28 times by 10 is 280. Divided by 2 gives me 140, my 5-way mark. Remember, we talked about that in a previous video. Right, add another 28. Well, that's easy. 168. I think that's what I'm going to need. If I need any more, I'm going to add another 28 on to help me out. Let's get started. Now, this, you may think, oh, that's a bit time consuming. But it will help me out in the end, okay? It will. It will make it easier. And I don't need a calculator. We can all add up. We can all add. I'm just going to split these up. Split these up in case I need them. Right. 28 people on one chair. No. Where does that one go? Wicked. Lovely. Gone. 28 into 10 chairs. Oh, no. Haven't used it. Where does that 10 go? Oh, wicked. Get rid. Right. 28 into 106. So it's 3. It's 3. And that makes 84. So 106 take 84 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Where's that 22 go? Wicked. 22. Ah, wait there. I've got to go higher. Oh, okay. Let's add 28 on. So 20 onto that would be 188. 196. I think we can go even higher. I don't know. Let's add another 28 on. Let's add the 8 first. That'll give me 204. 204, 224. Too high. So it is this one I need, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7, and that makes 196. So that leaves me 23. Leaves me 27. Where does that 27 go? Oh, I have to even go higher here now. Where does that 27 go? Yep, yes, 27. This is a big one. Oh, let's add 28 again. So it's going to be 244, 252. Let's add another 28. 280. Now let me just check, is that number 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, yes, right. So it's this one I need, which is 9. And that's 252, which is going to leave me for 24. Where does that 24 go? Wicked, there. How many 28s in 241? I can't go here, it's too high. So it's here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is 2, 2, 4, which leaves me 17. Where's that 17 go? Yeah, I did need this 0. Let's have a look. 17. Okay, I'm going to do this to, I'm going to do it to 3 dp decimal points. Okay, I only want 3 numbers left. 3 numbers left after the decimal. So how many in 170? It's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6. And that leaves 1, 6, 8. That leaves 2. Where does that 2 go? Oh, wicked, there. 2. How many 28s in 20? 28 people will not fit on 20 chairs, so 0. So I haven't used any of that. So the whole 20 goes here. How many 200? There is approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Oh, what a long one. Now we can round that up. I wanted it to 3 dp. 1, 2, 3. So my next number decides if I'm going to add 1 on or ignore. It's higher than 5. Well, it's 5 and higher. So I'm going to plus 1. Therefore, my answer for this question equals 3, 7, 9. Any zeros in front we don't need. 379.861. Wow, that was a big one. Sorry, my lines ain't brilliantly straight. So hopefully all that will give you a reminder how to multiply. Okay, and just remember what we do to the outside number, 1, 2, we do to the inside number, whack your decimal up. Okay, right, I'll give you 3 of these to do as well. Let's make that a little bit bigger. So what about trying number 4? 1, 2, 2 divided by 0.6. Number 5, what about trying 53.9 divided by 0.4? And number 6, what about this one? 227.4 divided by 0.11. Once again, these will be interactive on the video, so hopefully you get them all correct. Okay, I hope that helps you. Any questions, just let me know. And yeah, by the way, Happy New Year to you all. Okay then, take care. Bye.